Hi, I'm Chad, coming to you live and direct at 4 o'clock in the morning once again. Today we are headed back out to Buttonwillow Raceway Park. It's going to be the second time that I've been at the track. I had a blast last time and I'm looking forward to more great fun riding. That said though, there are a couple things that we're going to be doing a little bit differently here, mostly having to do with new stuff. First, this is my 2020 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 with a high roof. So we're going to be driving out there in our own wheels, no longer renting vehicles on Turo. Pretty nice. Got CarPlay, got adaptive cruise control, a nice leather wrapped steering wheel, and heat that actually should be up a little bit. But wait, there's more. Not only are we taking the Daytona 675R track bike today, but my 2017 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory as well. So, I would say that we have all the makings for a fantastic day. So, let's get on the road and get up to Buttonwillow. All right, so first two sessions of the day complete. Session one, really cold for everybody. Lots of people crashed in all three groups. Lots of red flags. Wasn't a good time. I went out, rode maybe like 50% and felt the front end slipping a little bit, and I was like, I'm good, especially after I watched somebody crash right in front of me. I decided to come back in and just sit tight until it warmed up a little bit. Just went out for session number two. Bike was feeling good. Daytona tires are still gripping nice. They're about at the end of their life though, about down to the wear bars, so probably gonna need to replace them at the end of the day, but it's feeling good so far. Bike's good. I fixed a couple oil leaks that I had that were pretty minor, and those seem to be holding up. So we're gonna keep riding on the Daytona for now, and maybe take the Tuono out a little bit later. Wait and see. might be able to see in the GoPro footage some sand blowing around in the distance, but it was pretty crazy. I got blown around a bunch, but you know, kept it up, so it was good. I think there's one session left, and I think it's time we got out this. This is my new to me 2017 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. I have a Tuono RR that I'm working on selling. This is its replacement. So these tires these are the Pirelli Diablo Rosso 3s. So not going to be quite as sticky as the Q3 Pluses that I have on my Tuono RR, but I'm hoping the Olin suspension makes up for it. But either way, it's going to be a lot of fun, especially with this bad boy right here. Get some wide open rips from this thing. that is a wrap on another day out at the racetrack, Buttonwillow Raceway Park. I had a blast, had a great time on both the Daytona and my Tuono factory. That's the first time that I think I've ridden two different bikes in the same day. It was a great time though. There was a lot of wind for a while earlier on in the day, and that was difficult to work with, but towards the end of the day, conditions got better and I was able to get the Tuono out and spent a couple sessions on it, and I had a blast. It was a great time. I think the suspension's a little soft for me, so I should probably play with that a little bit, and I think that the ride height could also be put up a little bit. But all in all, it was a super fun day. I'm definitely getting faster here and learning to carry more speed around the track, and I'm having a great time. The Daytona is going to need some new tires. The rear Q4 it's done. There's not even really tread on the sides anymore. Great day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button or subscribe. Do both. Turn notifications on. Going to continue to post content like this. Track day, amateur, trying to be a racer oriented, and motorcycle stuff. Later.